hopefully all guys are having a wonderful day. It is game week 2. Manchester United will face Brighton in away game at Seagull Park. So this will be going to be a very tough game. We'll preview, we'll see who will play in the Man United lineup, and this game will be a tough game. Brighton beat Everton 3-0 in their opening game, and they were playing a high line, and arguably they will play a high line against United as well and try to trap them in the offside. Apart from that, the coach is a very interesting coach. Is 31 years old, too young, and his team has scored, I think, 2.0 goals. I think if he has managed 60 games in his last managerial job, and he has scored around about 120 goals. So this coach is very important, and this coach will set up his team to score as many goals as possible. However, against Everton, they were not able to create too many XG. It was 1.47 XG, 2 clear chances, but they scored 3 goals. Man United against Fulham, we had 4 point something XG, and we could have scored 4-5 goals, but we scored only 1 goal. So this is a worry, and this is a worrying thing. I would like to start with the obvious striker Joshua Zirkzee, so that he can finish these goals. Otherwise, the chances that Bruno had, if there was a genuine striker, he could have scored that goals. Alejandro Garnacho also missed in the last game, so that was also the easy miss. So it means we were better in chance creation in the last game. Brighton were not good in the chance creation in the last game, despite playing against the 10-man. Ashley Young had a red card, so we were better, but they were better in finishing. We were not better in finishing. So we have to work very hard, work very efficiently to finish those chances which our midfield, our wingers are creating for our strikers. So my prediction is 2-1 to Man United, and the lineup, I would say it will be the same lineup that played against Fulham. Backline will be same, midfield will be same, 6 and 8 will be same, and Bruno will play as a number 10. Joshua Zirkzee will play as a striker. And if Joshua Zirkzee is still not match fit, if Erik ten Hag wants him to make another appearance from the bench before giving him in the starting role, then I would say Jadon Sancho will be a good choice there. Wingers are very interesting choice. Very interesting choice. I would say we need to play Marcus Rashford at left wing, Alejandro Garnacho at right wing, and there will be a lot of debate. There is still a lot of debate about the fans who should start. Amad Diallo should start or not. I would say Garnacho is more direct. Although Garnacho misses more chances, Garnacho loses the ball more time, Garnacho does more mistakes in possession than in Amad Diallo, but still I would say if you are sure that opposition is playing a high line, then you would use Marcus Rashford, you would use Alejandro Garnacho, space and directness to score the goals. So I would say this will be my lineup. And Mason Mount's case is very interesting case. Mason Mount is a runner. He presses high. He presses better than any other front four, and he presses his counter pressures are measurable. So these type of metrics makes the case for him. As we in the last game against Fulham, we had the control when he was on the pitch, and there were more passes in the final third and less passes in our final third. Fulham were not able to go out from their final third or box or their half. That was down to Mason Mount pressing high up the pitch, his pressing abilities, his counter pressing abilities, and his counter pressure. But he plays as a number 10. At the end of the day, you will be measured how many goals you will score and how many assists you give as a number 10. So that makes his case harder. But I would say, I think I have a feeling Eric Ten Hag will field the same lineup. Mason Mount will play. I hope Joshua Zirkzee plays, but I think Mason Mount will play, and we will have Amad Diallo on the bench, Alejandro Garnacho on the right wing. This would be the make sense change that I think is making sense, to use the pace at both flanks. But Mason Mount, I would say he will play. Eric Ten Hag will play him, will give him some games to score the goal, but his position is very, very on the edge. You would say he had to score the goals. And apart from that prediction, I have given already 2-1 to Man United. Let me know what do you guys think.